Alzheimer's without fear of losing their health insurance, or I yield myself one additional minute.
Gentleman is recognized.
Or affecting adversely the conditions of their employment. The bill currently before us includes clarifying language intended to ease the concerns of some of my colleagues and is identical to the version passed by the Senate last week. These changes include a firewall between Title I and II of the bill. The modifications clarify that employers are not liable for health insurance violations under civil rights laws unless the employer has separately violated a provision of Title II governing employers. The changes also make it clear that while individuals are protected from discrimination based on genetic predisposition, the authority of insurance companies to base coverage and pricing on the actual presence of a disease is not affected. These changes broaden the base of support for the bill, allow us to bring the House floor the legislation with the expectation that it will be signed into law by the President. I thank my colleagues on both sides of the aisle for their hard work on this bill and for coming together to make this legislation a reality. Madam Speaker, I ask unanimous consent to yield back the remainder of my time to my distinguished friend from California, the Honorable George Miller, Chairman of the Education and Labor Committee, and that he be permitted to yield that time in accordance with